Hey guys, today in this video we will learn how we can use free AI tool to upscale our videos. This video is for those who don't have any expensive GPU. You only need to have an Google account and we are using an open source AI tool. This model is really fast and completely free. Let's start our video. First, you need to open the link I provided in the description. Then come over here and select change runtime type and select a GPU. Then click on save. Now first you need to connect the GPU. You can click here to see the resource monitor. Then first we need to run this task. For privacy, you can use a different Google account. Now this can take up to 5 to 7 minutes. Now we just have to wait for it to be completed. The first task is completed. Now let's move to our second task. This task is not important. This will save your final videos to your Google Drive account. First click on the check mark and then run the tasks. Now click on connect to Google Drive and then log into your account. Before we move to our next task, first we need to upload the video so we can upscale it. Now first drag and drop the video here. Now it's uploading. Okay, here is our video. Now you have to click here and copy the path. Now paste the part of the video here. Now before you run the task, you need to tweak some settings here. First you need to select your model. There are 3 models, one for real videos, upscaling it like real videos or 3D videos, or second model is for anime videos or cartoons, and I don't know about the third one. I will select the first one and then select the resolution that I want. You can either specify your desired resolution or you can just select the multiplier. Now let's run our last task. So we need to wait here. It won't take too much time. This video is only for those who don't have any powerful graphic card like RTX 3090 or 4090 or 5090. Okay, the video is ready and it took it around 20 minutes. It was a lot faster than the other apps that I used before. So yeah, it's a lot faster and very useful. Now you can either download your file from your Google Drive or you can just download it from here. Just click on this option and download your file. Now that it's downloaded, let's check it side by side. This is the original video, which is 720p and it's a lot blurry. This is the upscale video and this is a lot sharper and vibrant. And this is it for today. I hope you like this video and please do comment about what should I upload next. See you in the next video.